Hi, I'm Jenny, and what you're about to see is cat's makeup that I've been doing on myself since about 1998, when I first fell in love with the musical Cats. I have done more than 38 different makeup designs on myself, but that's just the amount of photos that I could find. It starts off in 1998 through 2000, skips high school for some reason, and then goes to 2007 and on in my 20s. Doing cat makeup then. I've done cat makeup on other people. I have a lot of photos that I've done on friends, but this is just myself, the photos that I have, and some of the video. I hope you enjoy. Here's my cat's makeup history. I don't know why, but that makes me emotional to watch it because it's just, it just makes me so happy. Tell me in the comments which one was your favorite, and if you have any questions about the characters and the way I applied the makeup. Also, if you want to see more photos from all of those different makeup applications, I'll post a link to the makeup page on my blog so you can see more of the photos and such, and the videos that some of those were taken from. I love it. I just love it. I don't know if cat makeup is going to be a thing that I'm going to bring back on this channel or not, but I might. I know I will a bit this month. Should I? Tell me in the comments. And subscribe if you like my face. Cat makeup or not. Okay, see you later. Bye. Meow.